The surround view monitor uses the camera installed in the vehicle to display the images around the vehicle on the infotainment system, helping you park safely. You can select whether to use each function in the driver assistance section of the vehicle settings. Rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist recognizes vehicles approaching from the rear while reversing. If it detects a collision risk, it notifies the driver with warning signs and beeps, helping the driver brake and avoid a collision. Reverse parking collision avoidance assist is designed to reduce the risk of collisions with pedestrians and objects when the vehicle is reversing by warning the driver or controlling the brakes.
Kia, movement that inspires.